What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be breaking down 5 side hustles that I have tried that have personally allowed me to make over $1,000, and some have made me over $10,000. In this video, I'll be breaking down the side hustles, how you can get started, and how these side hustles allow me to pay for my college and allow me to save a lot of money to get ahead of the 8 ball at a young age. Don't go anywhere. This is a fun one. Let's do it together. So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today we're breaking down some fun side hustles that I've tried. But before we get started, if you have not yet, subscribe to the channel, and also if you find value in this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. It goes a long ways. So I just want to share a quick little story before we get started. First off, I understand that there's so many side hustles videos on the internet, on YouTube in particular, but this video, I'm going to promise you I've tried every side hustle. These 5 side hustles will make you money and have made me money. So growing up, I've always wanted to find ways to work for myself, become a business owner, and to make money on my own terms. And it took some grinding, it took some patience, and it took a lot of figuring out to do. But some of these side hustles that I figured out have really allowed me to get ahead at a young age, allowed me to make money, learn how to be my own boss, learn from rejection, and learn how to just go out there and start making money to save, to pay for my college, to pay for the things that I want, and to have the money to allow myself to do whatever I wanted to, and especially invest at a young age. So this video is all about the side hustles. I'm going to break down every age, how much I've made, and how you can start doing it yourself, because I believe these are 5 great ways for you to start making money. So don't go nowhere. I'm going to start from number 1 to number 5, and we're just going to break down, go through it all, and you're going to start making money with my past failures and success. But let's go get it. So guys, I want to jump into the first side hustle that I started. Fortunately for me, I lived in Maryland, which meant a lot of change in weather, summer, winter, fall, which created a lot of opportunity. And the first opportunity for me was shoveling snow. Now, a lot of my friends were willing to just go out there, have fun, hit the slopes, go sledding, and just go snowboarding. But for me, my mindset changed. I'd say early in my middle school days and early in my high school days, I was going out there with shovels. I learned that I could make $200 to $500 a day shoveling snow if a storm came. Typically, there'd be about 3 to 4 storms per winter, and I was making around $500 to $600 typically, which left me around over $2,000 I can make in a winter. And what I did to scale this over the years was to find more people. So I was recruiting my friends. I was recruiting people in the neighborhood. I was gathering more shovels. I was using my neighbor's snowblower, which broke a few times. But what I was doing is going around building customers in the neighborhood. So every snowstorm, I was getting customers. And every winter, I was noticing that my customers were going up. People were calling me. And I was going around plowing snow, making $500, $600, $700 a day out there, grinding it out, feeling a little cold, but I was making good money, and I was hiring the local friends of mine, Tyler, my brother, Brennan, all my friends. We're just going out there. We were a fleet, and we were making money, working hard, and people needed us, and we were making great money. So if you had the opportunity to find ways to help your neighbors in any way, whether it's snow removal or just finding weird tasks, that's an opportunity for you to make money and to start your first side hustle. So guys, the second side hustle that I started to make pretty decent money was my freshman year in high school with my buddy Sam. He lived in a pretty wealthy area, and he lived on the water. A lot of the neighbors that he knew needed some type of service. We got our first client doing power washing. So this was an opportunity. We made around $200 to $300 each on one person's deck. What would we do? We spent hours going out there with the power washer. We knew that there was opportunity in this. We were power washing, we were washing cars, and we created flyers in the neighborhood. We were passing them out, and we became the local handyman in the local community. People were calling us, and it seemed like every day we were going out doing a power washing job. We were making around $200 to $300 a day each, just doing insane amount of things. The great thing is we stumbled upon a very wealthy area that were willing to just give us an insane amount of tips. We were making an extra $200, I'd probably say, in tips a day, but we built a small business in a small community all from just power washing, going out there, knocking on doors, working hard. We were washing their cars. We were doing whatever they said. We were staining the decks, and we were using the tools, the equipment that my buddy's dad had, so we had no overhead. Basically, it was our labor, and we built great relationships with these people. And over the summer, I'd say we probably around $3,000 to $5,000 I was working a 9 to 5 job. We were doing it right after we were getting off work together, and we were just crushing it, making extra money. So we were young, we were willing to put the hustle in, and we found ourselves making a great amount of money at a young age, learning to sweat, learning to just go out there and have fun. And I truly miss it because it was just the summer heat and we were grinding to figure things out, and we made an excellent paycheck after working hard and servicing these people that needed us. So guys, the third side hustles that I started that allowed me to make just under $1,000 after fees were starting an SMMA, a social media marketing agency. Now, I was kind of drawn to this business all through the internet and YouTube. The thing is, I wanted to learn, so I did that. In that case, I started learning courses. I started watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I told myself, I'm gonna build this big agency like Tai Lopez. We see so many people on social media just saying, hey, you can just take 2 pictures a week, post them for someone, and make $10,000 a month. For that, I thought that was real. I was mind washed. I didn't realize how much hard work it would actually take. So I went out there and actually started to just give it a shot. So I had 2 doctors that I knew, my mom's friends that I reached out to, a lot of people I was emailing, cold calling, and it didn't work. But the thing is, I landed a med spa and a skincare brand that was in the same complex. I told them, I even met with the lady that owned the med spa. I went to her house. I presented a PowerPoint that I didn't even know what I was doing, but YouTube taught me all this, and I went there and sold her a contract with $200 a week for posting for both businesses that she owned and she part owned, and she was all in. And what did I do? I had to learn how to link to Facebook, do everything. I was meeting with her, going through calls, and I was stressed out. I didn't know how to scale this business or how to operate this business, but I was going on figuring out ways to take pictures, become a media company for her, and I made $200 a week. I did this for about 4 to 5 weeks, and I just told her, hey, I am not interested in this. I went to a business or a side hustle that seemed so glamorous, yet it didn't serve me, or I didn't have fun with it. So I was like, why am I wasting my time? I don't want to grow this, and it just didn't feel right. So I just gave her the honest truth. I looked kind of stupid. I failed a lot. I didn't know how to do things, but I figured them out, and I made money, so I consider them a great side hustle. But if you love social media, if you love going out there, taking pictures, interacting with people, and just creating images for people to share to social media platforms, I say social media marketing is a great fit for you. Yet there's a lot of challenges, competition, trying to figure it out. But go out there and just give it a try. See if you can message or meet up with anybody that you know has a business. Being young, being educated about social media, and this is our life as millennials, we can provide value. And if you find a way to provide value in the social media marketing space, you will make money. It's just a matter of how many clients you get, keeping them with good service through organic traffic or paid traffic, learning it all, learning Facebook ads, Instagram ads. It's super complex, but there's opportunity for you to make money if you truly believe in it and love it. But don't chase the money. Do what makes you happy and go for it. Fourth is an amazing side hustle that I still stick with today through the winter months. I absolutely love it. And it's basically changed the way I understand how to make money on the internet. And that is selling clothes on eBay. This strategy here, I was not much of a believer at first, but allowed me to pay for a lot of things at college. I remember going on Friday nights to the thrift stores, which I'll chat about here in a second, passing the lines of these bars filled with people and college students ready to get into the bars to get turned up. Yet I was going to thrift stores because I found so much joy in this side hustle. And truthfully, it made me a lot of money. I was making around $200 to $400 a week reselling profit on eBay. Not only was it fun to get started, I began this journey by selling things that I had in my house. Typically, I was just selling clothes. I found a few amazing scores at a thrift store. I sold a bendable little leprechaun that I found at the thrift that I bought for $20, and I made $300 on it. And that was the light bulb that allowed me to say, hey, this is a real way to make money. I was willing to go out to the thrift stores. I was searching for clothing brands, and I found some amazing and fun items that allow me to scale and build a small eBay business. And this really just allowed me to grow. This allowed me to understand the principles of buying, reselling, understanding markets, understanding what people will buy, understanding how to just get your things on the internet to sell. Also, with this money, I was paying for college fees, books, and I was just paying to live at college to get my education while also starting a side hustle and business that taught me so much. So truthfully, I think this side hustle is incredible for a lot of you. If you want to start making money on the internet, we see drop shipping, we see Amazon, we see FBA, all those things and models are out there. But if you wanted to start fundamentally by reselling, selling things on eBay, you are going to get ahead of the game and you can truly make good money. Escape that 9 to 5, make extra income on eBay. I'm a firm believer and I still stick with it today because I just absolutely love eBay. And I couldn't just be more blessed to have learned how to make money on eBay, and I truly think anybody can. Watch some YouTube videos. There's some content I'll link right here just to show you some of my thrifting scores and how you can make money going to the thrift store and reselling it and flipping it on eBay. So guys, I want to jump into fifth and most profitable side hustle I believe every motivated, hungry, and just someone who wants to work can truly pull this off, and that is starting a lawn care landscaping business. Now this side hustle, it takes a lot of grind, it takes a lot of sweat. I remember when I was first getting started mowing, I was probably 8. I've done it my whole life basically with my dad when he was going out there and making some extra bucks. But I took this initiative into my own hands and I started mowing lawns, doing whatever I can to start building a small lawn care business. After work, I was working on a farm. I would go and start making money with my personal lawn care side hustle. And my whole mentality kind of changed after I made my first $40 cutting some guy's lawn. And this was a job where I just typically went out and mowed the lawn, but I realized I made $40 in 25 minutes, yet I was making $14 an hour just busting my ass on a farm. It didn't make sense. So I kind of went full force. I quit the farm and I went into starting this side hustle, knocking on doors, passing out flyers, getting on the Nextdoor app, finding whatever way I could on Facebook to market myself, and I was building a small book of business. And this side hustle here can truly change your, I say life, honestly, change your finances. It can allow you to understand how to run a business, operate, and your business can spread like a wildfire. What I was making now around with this side hustle, around $700 to $1,500 a week just mowing lawns. That is incredible, servicing around 30 to 45 lawns a week, all around $40 to $60 per service. Now this is a unique side hustle. It took time. I was able to buy a truck, a trailer, zero-turn mowers, and all professional equipment, but I just typically started out with a push mower, a handheld blower, and my dad's weed whacker. It was all his equipment. My parents didn't really believe in me, but I took the opportunity and went out there, got businesses, invested my money back into more equipment, and I grew a small business all from a side hustle. I believe anyone can do this, whether it's going out there mowing lawns, doing raking, leaf cleanups, yard work. There is an opportunity to make money. The thing is, it takes time to learn. You have to go out there, sweat. You have to be able to communicate with customers. But the truth is, you can make great money, and you can make over $20,000 to $50,000 in a summer if you go hard, build a great customer list, and you are on your way to really going out there and growing your wealth no matter where you are with your finances. I'm telling you guys, please go out there. It is my favorite side hustle, and I believe anyone could do this. So guys, thank you for tuning into the YouTube channel. Again, feel free to leave a comment, question, concern in the comment section below. That is fun. I'm here to make these videos to give you guys the truth. And if you find value in this content, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Guys, follow me on all their social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. But guys, we have a lot more content to come. Before I leave, I want to give you guys the encouragement to take these videos, to go out there to start. If you want change with your finances, if you want to start making money, learn how to make money, it takes you doing rather than watching. There's so many videos that dilute YouTube that say, do this, do this, do this. But are you actually taking action? That is my encouragement. That is what I wish you would do, because truthfully, once you learn these powerful skills, it's a matter of you going out there and doing them so you can make the money to reap the rewards, to change your future, your finances, and get ahead of the 8 ball no matter where you are so you can change your life. So those are my favorite side hustle, guys. Take care. Have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.